So I got some packages to ship. It's late, just got back from vacation. But the work doesn't stop, alright? So let's get to the office and pack some ships. Or ship some packs. Bruh. Whatever, let's go. You want them socks, bro?
Yeah. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.
In your bank account, M's? Alright, at the office. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, garage sales. I guess that's the same thing. I do a little retail arbitrage, all that good stuff. You know, and I got a little camera. I walk around and just basically show you I basically show you showing me. Bruh. If you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up. I'm not even gonna try to get into that, man. I ain't gonna edit that or nothing. I don't know what I know what I was trying to say, but I couldn't say it. But y'all know. Anyway, I got a couple things to ship, and let's pull them. Oh yeah, first I'm watching my guy, Joy Bada Bing. Joy Bada Bing 22. He's a young reseller, man. He reminded me of myself when I was a little younger. Follow him, man. He's entertaining. He's doing a little live of himself actually listing, and I think that's great, man. I need to start doing stuff like that, man. That way I'll list a little bit more. So he's basically live listing as everybody else is listing, supposedly listing with him. So people's on there be like, I got 6 done, I got 8 done. He's like, I got 3, 4, 5 done. So everybody's listening together. It's a good thing, a great thing. Anyway, let's pull some orders. First thing I got going out is actually here, my little box from home. It's a shirt, white tag Nike shirt. It's actually a soccer shirt. I ain't gonna take it out the bag. But it's an older soccer shirt, I believe. Year, did I have the year on there? I just put 90s football shirt, football soccer shirt. It went for $13.99 plus shipping. Buyer's about $19.97, about $20 into it. Great buy. Like I said, that's one of the first shirts I got, and for some reason it decided to sell today. Oh, on the last item, I got it for at the thrift store. It was a thrift store find, and I think they was $2 at the thrift store, so that was a good buy. Next thing I got going out is actually over here. I just got this too. And you know how you buy something and you just dread shipping it? Where's it at? Let me get it real quick. All right. It's nothing really. Let me take this out here now. It's something I gotta ship too. That it's not listed, but I'll tell you about that later. It's not actually a hard ship. It just weighs about 4 or 5 pounds. Let me see what it went for. It's actually a high pressure hose for what's that called, pressure washer, and this went for $33.95. Free shipping. It's about a 4-pound item though, and it's not about dread. I can really just wrap it in some bubble wrap and put it in a poly bag, and it'll probably ship just fine, or put it in one of these boxes. It probably fit in one of these boxes. I just don't know how much it's gonna cost to ship. The next thing that's going out is a game, The Need for Speed, for GameCube. It went for $9.99, free ship. So this only. I actually got a couple of this onlys going out. Let me take all these discs. I got some of my games right here. Need for Speed, this only. That's not it. That's not it. Well, this one's going out too next. I'm gonna show you about that. Need for Speed. And also right behind that, this Donkey Konga is going out too. This one's only $7.99 free ship. This is only $9.99 free ship. These are this only. I listed these because I want to list. I would usually list all these together or something like that. But I'm trying to sell everything in this game line just to see how much I make at the end. Next thing I got going out is was at home. Let's see if we can find it. I got all the stuff in here. Here we go. It's a DVI dual leak extender made by Triplite. It went for $17.49. Free ship. This is actually in one of my promotions. I did like anything that was 90 days old in my store, I ran a sale. And I think I had it listed for $24.99, and I did like a 30%. I don't know if it's just 30 or 20% off. Anyway, it sold. Been having it for a while. Glad it's gone. Only cost $2.80 to ship. Oh, spent $2 at this. I got this from Gimme 5 a while back. Next thing I got going out is a personal thing from my own collection. As y'all know, those of y'all who's been watching me for a little while know I'm a huge sneaker fan, and not like I used to. I used to get a lot of shoes back in the day. I say from the year 99 up until probably 2012-ish. I was going super hard, and I kind of calmed down, and I've been selling a lot of my shoes out. And only ones I'm really keeping is, if you're familiar with shoes, Jordan 1s, and a lot of my runners. Stuff that's comfortable on my feet I keep, and Jordan 1s because I just love them. But I had a LeBron craze at one time, and I've been selling a lot of my LeBrons. And here's a pair of my LeBrons. These are called Denim 10s. It's like a blue jean with a little pink. These came out back in 2012, I believe. Yeah, 2012, and I remember I had a nice old fit to go with these. I only wore these like twice. And then the value done dropped down on them a lot. I kind of might regret selling them. I probably should have kept them because this was a nice pair. This is in his not basketball, I was in an EXT line, which is like a casual line. Anyway, yeah, I'm about to go down memory lane with y'all. I forgot who I was talking to. They only sold for $114.99 plus shipping. Those y'all who know, if you sell a shoe over $100, no final value fee, so that's good. So I don't have to worry about that fee. Only fee I have to worry about is the shipping fee. That's pretty much it. And all together they are about $137 into this, which is a good thing. Again, bye shoes. Those are hard to get to. Next thing going out is this plush. It's a Peanuts Sunny Day Throw plush. I got this from the Goodwill a while back. Where's it at? I just moved it to the side. Came from the house right here. There we go. The Peanuts movie, y'all remember that? It went for $19.59 plus shipping. This is another one that was on my little 20% off, 30% off promotion. So yeah, I'm glad to see it go. I've been having it for a little while. Goodbye. I actually got that from the thrift store for $3.99 if you was wondering. Next thing to go out is this WarioWare Smooth Moves. Is it WarioWare? WarioWare Smooth Rules Wii game. It went for $19.99. Free ship. Let's see if we can find it. See, I got some games at home that need to. Don't tell me that one's at home. No, it's not at home. Here we go, right here. WarioWare Smooth Moves on the Wii. $19.99. Free ship. Next thing to go out is another game. It's called Real Monsters on Sega Genesis. Only went for $9.99. Free ship. It's a game only game. Let's see if we can find it. Now that one might be at home for real. Let me get up there. I can't see. All right, got the game. I got all these games up here, which I'm short, and this is how they was when I was at home, so I kept them like that. I got a bookshelf and a game shelf. I just ain't put it together yet, and so those games will be a little lower soon. Plus, I got about 5, 6, 7 times this amount of games. So they all gonna go on the bookshelf here soon. And that'd be a great thing. So I'm gonna have to keep, look at me. Look at my show. I had to get a chair to get up there. Bruh. It's ridiculous. So yeah, that went for $9.99, free ship. Little Sega Genesis game right there. Last but not least, what we got going out? Some vintage Power Flow Oldsmobile splash guards. Let's see, those were at home. I actually put them in here, I believe. Where they at? Here they go. Right here. These are $19.96. Got them from the Goodwill. Look, I still got the thing on there. Did I take the picture with that on there? I'm tripping. No wonder they just didn't sell. I got these a while back, And I took a picture with the Goodwill sign on there. Anyway, look, $2.99. That's what I paid for. And they sold, but I said $20.99 plus shipping. And one more thing I need to send out, which I should have sent out Friday, but slipped through the cracks. This is a ring holder. It holds 6 rings, like championship rings. And it went for like $26 or something like that. Matter of fact, I need to find that. I don't know. Anyway, hey, real quick, what I want to do is I want to open up his package. Something I purchased from my guy, Sumo Thrift. He got a YouTube channel. Please, if you can, if you like reselling, if you like videos like mine, you know, reselling, what sold, stuff like that, check him out. I'll put his link in the description. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. He's a reseller, and he's one of the guys that puts a lot into his videos. The editing is crazy. The quality of his videos is just sick, and it's unappreciated in my eyes, you know. Go follow him. Like I said, if you like videos like that, please check him out. Now, look at this. Sumo. You know me, man. If you selling something or doing something, I do what I can do to support. I love all black shirt with a nice clean logo on it, and this is right up my alley. He sent me a little while back a Funko Pop. He know I like ad icons. I collect ad icons, and it was early too. We barely knew each other, and he's like, "Hey man, I got this Dr. Pepper ad icon. I didn't have it. If you want it." And he sent it to me, man, off his own dollar. You know what I'm saying? And when somebody does like that, you know they're a good person. You know, he didn't have to do that if he didn't want to. He could have charged me for it. But hey, he just sent it to me. And I always got to return the favor, but I would have bought one of these anyway. You understand what I'm saying? So, shout out to Marcus. Loving the shirts, man. Go follow Marcus. If you do follow him in one of his videos in the comments, tell him I sent you. All right, that's what I got going out. Y'all know I always like to show y'all something new. Your boy's getting look at the refrigerator right there that I purchased. Me and Scott. Isn't that different? A little blue refrigerator, you know, hold some drinks and stuff like that. That's what I was pulling the drink out earlier in the video. Got a little stand right there. You already seen that. So yeah, that's the new addition. Ain't nothing new in here. Well, we got a little dolly. If you need to bring a bunch of stuff up to the office, we can use that. But yeah, man, it's late. I'm gonna get out of here. Reason why I'm here late. As y'all can see, it was dark in the beginning because I just got back from Gatlinburg, and the boys got school in the morning. I gotta work at 2, and I'm not gonna have time to do any shipping, so I'm gonna try to do some. I'm doing my shipping tonight, and that way it'll be done. I don't have to worry about it in the morning. All right, so anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm done here. Y'all be good. Peace.